Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the UFS storage read and write speeds comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus iQOO Z5 device. So both phones they do have the UFS storage 3.1, but one thing is that the iQOO Z5 has got the slightly enhanced version of the UFS storage read and write. That's what the iQOO they did advertise when they're launching this device. But let's see whether this can actually give us the any kind of real-time improvement in terms of the read and write speeds or not. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video. So all the apps are completely clear from the background, and these are the two applications which I'm going to use in this video for the demonstration purpose. So both phones, let me try to start at same time the ANTUTU benchmark test first in terms of the read and write storage speed test. So in the ANTUTU benchmark test, we do have the storage test option which is 9.1.7. This exact version which I'm trying to use in both phones. Now we'll be able to find out the results, what is happening between these both devices. So let's see what is how much difference we can actually expect, because both phones they do have the same kind of UFS storage 3.1, so it should be kind of very close results, not a huge difference should be there. So it's kind of difference of 4,000 difference is there between these both phones. 56,000 versus 60,000 difference is there. So 4,000, the iQOO Z5 secured the highest score in the UFS storage 3.1 read and write speeds, and sequence read speed is 1729 is higher, 1657. And write is 714 and 975. The write is higher in this iQOO Z5. You can clearly see. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn on the GT mode and Monster mode. Let's see what happens. Using these two modes again, let's clear this application from the background and let's open again. And let's do the speed test again. Let's see what happens next. So using GT mode and the Monster mode, can the gap decrease? So because there's a gap of 4,000, so can it decrease or not? That's what I'm going out of curiosity. So just to check what is going on. So 58,000, the gap, the iQOO Z5 decreased and the Realme GT Neo 2 increased in terms of the score. So you can see what happened just now. So that's something you should know, friends, and let me know to disable that. So because enabling that, that's kind of causing different results in both phones. So as normal, let's try to use the phones. So the iQOO Z5 has got slightly better advantage in the write speeds. Read speeds are slightly higher in the Realme GT Neo 2. Write is higher in this phone. So now we'll be able to find out in ANTUTU Bench application which has got what type of results. And first phone to finish is the Realme GT Neo 2. And iQOO Z5 is taking time, and here the result. So try to pause this video in case if you want to know, take a look. So 1696 read speed, 1502. And write speeds, even this application also showing clearly the sequence write speed is higher in the iQOO Z5 when compared with the Realme GT Neo 2. So write is higher in this phone and read is higher in the Realme GT Neo 2. And random read and write is also higher in the iQOO Z5. You can pretty much see here, random access as you can see, not bad. So this is a quick comparison between both phones regarding the read and write speeds. Although the iQOO Z5 was able to perform slightly kind of better than the Realme GT Neo 2 in read and write speeds only. So this is a kind of conclusion. Because of this enhanced version, maybe that kind of pushed the limits, I think so. So this is, friends, thank you for watching and see you in the next video and let's stay for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.